The following tools will be required for the entire unboxing process: straight slot screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, number 22 wrench, claw hammer, scissors, utility knife, combination pliers, hex screwdriver included in the product accessory box. First, we need to prepare 3 tools: straight slot screwdriver, combination pliers, claw hammer. This is what you'll get when the package arrives. Take a claw hammer and a straight slot or flathead screwdriver to pop open the buckles on the top and bottom of the wooden box, then lift it up. Be careful not to scratch it when using the tools. After opening the top cover of the wooden crate, you will see the contents as shown here. Continue to pry open the bottom cover of the wooden crate. After lifting the crate, you will find that the product's protective packaging is extremely well designed. Up next, let's open the accessory box. Snip the straps with scissors and straighten out the bathtub. Check this out, your bathtub has been carefully safeguarded. Now, let's use a utility knife to cut open the outer packaging. Watch out, don't scratch the bathtub. You're just a few installation steps away from enjoying it. First, install the faucet and the cold or hot water control handle in sequence. Align them according to the color markings of the water pipes at the bottom, or follow the left for cold, right for hot principle, and make sure the marks on the dial are properly aligned as well. Install the shower set. Take out the shower head and the shower hose. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the retaining ring from the base. Then attach the ring to the hose in the correct orientation. Pass the hexagonal end of the hose through the base, and use a number 22 wrench to secure it to the reserved position on the control handle. Finally, connect the shower head. Note, there is a filter screen at the joint of the head. Do not lose it. Connect the cold and hot water inlet pipes to their corresponding positions, and attach the drain pipe to the drain outlet. Install the drain stopper, complete the plumbing and electrical connections, and test the unit. Caution: do not run the unit dry continuously to prevent overheating and damage. Test the gear control to ensure it matches the icons on the dial, and secure the control handle in place. Lastly, adjust the steel feet at the bottom to keep the bathtub level and stable without wobbling.